you're going to notice the darkness under your eyes fading within no time. Hello good people, how are you doing today? Thank you so much guys for 3K subscribers, and for those who keep on coming to check on my videos, I really appreciate you. And for the new subscribers, you're most welcome to DIY Queen channel. So in this video I have 3 ways that I want to share with you on how you can remove dark under eye or dark circles. It's just 3 ways. You need to check the best way which you can use. You don't have to use all of them at once, but I just want to show you how you can do it and say goodbye to dark under eye. So let's get going. And for those who haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on the red button below and subscribe so that you'll be part of this channel or family. Here is a potato juice with me. So I just want this video to be very short so that you are able to watch until the end and follow all the 3 natural tips that I'm going to share with you. What I'm going to do is I'll just add just 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to store this other one for maybe another day. Just simple remedies. And what you're going to do next, you have your, what do we call these things? I just forgot. So what you do is just dip inside, like the way I'm doing. If you can see, just dip inside your, or you can also use your cotton wool or a piece of cloth, whichever way you like, it's going to work. So, oh, and I forgot to tell you, you need to store in the fridge so that you can have that cooling effect on your under eye. So this is how it looks like. Once you're done, you just put them like this on your eyes, like this. How do I look? I can't see anything. So what you do, just place on your eyes for 30 minutes and you relax and feel the soothing effect. And I'm telling you, within 30 minutes, your under eye, you notice your under eye, dark under eye color fading away. But you also need to do this at least 3 times a week. So DIY method number 2 for fading dark under eye is through using a tomato. I already have my juice here. So what you do, you grate it or you extract the juice, and you have your cure for dark under eye. So at times you experience dark under eye due to lack of sleep or even straining, or even you go clubbing for longer hours. So what normally happens, the blood is formed below. People even have eye bags due to the same reason. Let me just put a few here, and then you repeat the same process as we did on potato. So you dip, and then you place it on your area. If you have eye bag, this is how you do it. And then you just place it here like this, and you're going to repeat the same on this other side. As I said, you can use a cloth to do the same. It's just going to work the same way. So that's how you do it, and just sit down and relax or sleep for 30 minutes. And you're going to notice after this, the under eye or even the eye bags are going to fade within no time, because these are the methods I always use and I find them working so well. They're better than those eye cream which are in the market, and this is just a simple method which is cheaper. So that way is to use aloe vera. So you'll be using aloe vera. You're going to extract some juice from aloe vera, And this is how you do it. Just a simple way, a simple process. You're going to cut this like this, and then we're going to extract the juice. We're going to extract aloe vera gel. I'm going to add honey, just a little of it. So we're going to add turmeric, just like this, just a few of it. So now here is our dark under eye cure, and this is what you're going to use. You just dip your cloth. So you're going to repeat the same process like this. Then you fold it, and then you place it on your eye like this, like that. So you're going to do it for 30 minutes. As I said, you need to do it 3 times a week, because you don't just do it once and then you say you forget about it. You need to repeat 3 times a week, or at least 2 times a week, for you to see changes, because these methods are so effective, convenient, because just for 30 minutes and the dark circles are gone. So guys, I would really want to know some of the methods that you use to remove the dark under eye, because I also want to learn from you guys. So feel free to comment below and let me know some of the methods that you use for dark under eye, because we're here to learn from each other. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye for now.